this is my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to get my latest videos. So today what I'll be working on is the complete beginner tutorials for Photoshop. So if you just install your Photoshop, I'm going to show you guys how to go on with it. This is what you do. Welcome to your Photoshop. Double click on it. So with time guys, I will show you guys how to do this. Okay guys, here's our Photoshop. So you can see this project and my recent project. And create new. When you create new, it brings you here. It tells you new document. So on this new document, you have the width and the height. So you can edit the width how you want it. For me, I prefer 800. Let me just show you guys. You can still put 500. But I love 800, so I'll put 800 and 800 here. So when you're done now, you can choose the background color that you want. Black, brown, anyone that you want, but I prefer white. And click create. Okay, so when you're here, guys, I want to create another document without deleting this one. They can see how it is. So what you do is you come to your file, come here where you can see file. Welcome to file now. Click on new place where we just like open Photoshop and was trying to explain how to create a new document. You can see this new document. You can see edit the width. So I want to make to put to a guide. This is different. So I can show change the width. I can put the width at 500. I was trying to explain the other place. 500 and here 200. So I would love to make it to be a little bit different. So what to now clear create, and here it is. You can see here this place having different width and the height, and here it has different width and the height. So what I'm trying to do here, guys, the main reason why I'm showing this video is to explain the meanings of all these tools here. Definitely I can't explain all, but the more you use Photoshop, the more you learn, and the more you follow my videos, the more you learn. So what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to explain the basics. So we start by move to file. I come to file, click open. I click open, it opens your computer. You can see everything I haven't completed here. So I may come to documents. So I choose this image. After opening the image, first thing you should do is unlock it. Click here on this lock icon. But if you don't, you won't be able to move it like this. If you want to move this, you cannot move the two because the layer is locked. So what you do, you come and unlock it. And unlock it, you have to move how you want. So you move on to the next tool, which is this, the rectangle tool. So now this tool we have the elliptical mark tool, single row tool, single column mark tool, and so on. So these tools like you select a simple way of cutting, but you don't usually use this because it gives specific shapes like this. Here you have this tool, rectangular tool. So this is what it does. You can see it forms a shape of a rectangle. You give a shape that you want. Rectangle. And when it's okay, you press Ctrl G on keyboard. And when you come to layers, you notice that there now two layers. So when you come to original layer, click the eye icon and disappears. Move on to the next tool. So to avoid confusion, you just come back here where you remove the icon. You can see the eye icon here is indicated, here is not indicated. So you can just press it back where the original layers appear. Then you come here and click spacebar or delete on your keyboard. You can see it's gone. We now we move to the next, which is the laser tool. So with this tool, you should select parts like to cut. So if you can do that, have to zoom it. The zoom is Control plus on Mac and Windows. So with this tool, what you do with it, you click and hold, you draw. It's just like a pencil. You draw the part that you want. So let me just say you want this face. What you want. So you what you want. After selecting it, like I earlier said, make sure it's selected on the original layer and this is there where selected. Is it? You can see selected. So what you do now, Control G to duplicate. That is the same as Control C, Control V. So you come back to your original layer, remove the eye icon, and you see what you cut. So with these two, what you drew, that's where it will actually come out. I don't have time to draw well, but if you follow my videos, and I'm going to show you guys how to cut more. So now come back to your original layer. Come now, this layer 3. Or you can still rename it. You can just like double click there in a layer. So you can write what you want. You can just say cut, and that's it. So you can come to the cut. You think you want to move to the next two, backspace and delete it. But what you don't delete, you're going to be like complicated. So you come to the next two, which is the quick selection tool. So with these two, it's more easier for you to select someone and cut. So do how you use it. Just press and hold, and you drag down. You drag on one object you want to select, a page you want to select. You want to select this man standing right here. So this is what you do. When it's like this, you hold Alt in the keyboard, then you're controlling how you want it to be. Control how you want it to be. So for you guys now, I can't make it perfect because I just want to give you the basic rules of these items that they found in those tools. So what you do, Control J, as I said, duplicate. So you remove it, and it is what it gave you because it's what you cut. The more people keep on following my videos, then you will learn more how to cut. Then yeah, Control minus to zoom out. So yeah, we have the crop tool. I guess you guys already know about the crop tool because in your phones you mostly see that. So it's the same like with the phone. You just like hold drag from here, you drag down on how you want it to be. You can see around the image. If you want the face, like this, you can make it. And if it's okay for you, come up here, just right there like this, and you click okay. So now we move on to the next tool, which is the frame tool. So with this tool, you can just select path of an image, and it cuts automatically like this. Let me just show you guys. Like when you press and hold your mouse and drag how you want it to be, I've seen right, like it has selected itself and it has spread another layer, just in a layer for the edges. So you move to the next tool, which is the eyedropper tool. So with this tool, you used to select colors. For example, so just watch here. See this way you take note. When you click here, the color changes. Here changes. So if you want to click like take a color out of here, either click here, just like click and hold. When you click and hold here, drag. Drag now. You can select what I want. Take note, it changes. Everything it changes. So that's the main use of this tool. Like I said, guys, I'm just going to like explain the basic tools here, the tools that we use regularly. So now I've already explained this few. So I'm going to move on to the next tool why we like regularly use it, which is the eraser tool. With the eraser tool, like a normal erase, you can erase any mistake that I've made from my image. So Control plus my keyboard, increase. Now you can see you are erasing. So in case you want to erase part of this shoulder, you can just erase from here, and that's it. It's for me a shape that you want. It depends. So that's it. Then Control Z to undo. Then the pen bucket. For us to use the pen bucket, is mostly used in the background. So you come back here. This is the background. Click on the background. Click there. You can see the color have changed, but you cannot see it. So for you to see the background, you have to put it like this, and then there's the background, the color I've selected. So that's the use of this pen tool. Unlike the pen tool, you also have this, the gradient tool. Gradient tool is like to make two colors. So let me just like put it like this. This is the gradient tool. This is why the gradient tools make colors come like. So you come now to this tool. pen tool, like which is the most important tool here. So with this tool, what you do, you just do with it. Click here. You give the exact form of what you want. You click and hold, you control the mouse how you want it. Out on the keyboard, you click in the middle until you see that's more button pointing at the middle there. So when they are right, you just click there. You can see it has become one angle, and you continue. Make sure you cut what you want. Which is what you do. You cut it. You cut the exact shape that you want. It's nice. And definitely control what you want to do. Definitely, like, I can't take my time and cut it because this is just the beginner tutorials. But when you guys want to do it, take your time, cut it well, and remember what you cut, shape that will come out. So that's how it is. So control enter, and that's it. Another shape that you cut. Then control J, duplicate, as I said, move it. I've seen that's how you cut. So for you, so you guys can be seeing this, and if you want to correct it, you use this eraser tool. This is what you do with it. With this eraser tool, you can cancel that you want it to be, and that's it. So you can cancel until it fits you. So put it back. So the last tool I love to explain to you guys is the horizontal type tool. This one used for typing. So this is how I use it. You just come here where you want to put the text. You can hold and drag. You can see that the box, the text box that you come out. You can see that's it. So you can see what you want to write. You can say please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and then there you go. So you come here. Anyway, that's what you want to come here. That tick, get tick. You can see they normally have changed. And if you want to arrange it, you can always come back here to move to. And so you can move it how you want it. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to get my latest video. Thank you all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Suggest My Takes Electronics. So in this video on my PC, I have opened Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can see the render.